Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to tell you if it's worth buying a Mini XLR 3-pin to female 3.5mm adapter. The reason you'd buy something like this is if you have a wireless mic system, you can actually adapt it. And what I mean by adapt is you can adapt a normal 3.5mm mic to be able to become a Mini XLR, just like that. And then that you can use in your wireless mic setup. So right now you're listening to my Behringer microphone here. I'm going to switch to my standard mic, which I got with my Fine Wireless. So this is the Fine Wireless mic, which is currently plugged into this system here. That's how the audio sounds. I'm not going to change the levels, and I'm going to flip over to a better quality microphone, which is a Purple Panda mic. So this Purple Panda mic I have plugged in via the 3.5mm. I've converted it to a Mini XLR 3-pin, and I'm going to plug it in and you'll hear it live. So I'm going to carry on talking because the reason I carried on talking is I want the same volume to come over. If I stopped and carried on again, I may have been higher or lower. So my idea is this Purple Panda mic should be a better quality mic. You should get more bass in the audio that you're listening to. It may not come across fully, so it may be worth putting headphones in so you can actually hear it live. Let me show you a link to this that I bought. So that is the actual Mini XLR 3-pin. If I move my screen out the way, you can see it. It's not expensive at all. It's a Mini XLR 3-pin. Right now you're listening to the Purple Panda plugged in, so you're actually listening to that in action. If I turn that off and go back to my desktop audio, so this is my Behringer microphone via the mixer board, and that's the one I normally use. So this is the system here. You can actually allows you to adapt a standard mic with a 3.5mm to be used. So I do some outdoor shoots and this wireless mic will be better, the Purple Panda, and I'll use that going forward. This is a quick test to see how that performs. Make sure to check out the playlist which will talk to you about wireless mics and the best options.